About 2 years ago now, Illinois eliminated cash bail from the justice system, the first state to do so. Good Tuesday evening. I'm Tyler Lopez.
And I'm Janice Reppold. Thanks for joining us at 10. It was a controversial decision, but insiders expect it's here to stay. Madison Porter checks in to see how things are smoothing out.
Tyler and Janice, Tazewell County's presiding judge, who's been practicing law for 30 years, says it's been a learning process and there's still more to understand.
The Pretrial Fairness Act introduced detention hearings to the Illinois court system. Instead of receiving a cash bond, a judge will look at a defendant's risk assessment to determine if they should stay in jail until trial. Presiding Judge Chris Doskach says he can't recall any Tazewell County defendant over the 2 years who was released committing a Class X or serious felony while out of jail. But he does see more repeat offenders at the misdemeanor level.
It can happen to anyone, because predicting human behavior is not an exact science. And under the Safety Act, if you're out on release and you pick up 2-3 new cases, the court on its own or the state could petition to have people's release revoked.
Cashless bail has its side effects, like more people skipping court dates. Doskach says defendants started to realize the consequences but see them as minor, so more of them end up in jail on weekends.
It's not unusual now on a Monday for me to have 20 plus people on warrant status for not coming to court.
Without cash bond, there's less cash, putting a strain on county budgets.
We have 1,000 cases probably this year. We have to have people working, paying for them. It pays for probation services from these fines, pays sheriffs, police departments, which they use for public safety.
He's proud of the 10th Judicial Circuit Court's implementation of the law, but believes that stakeholders should look for improvements.
When you do something like this, you have to look, observe, see how things went, and I think it's important to make this work right for individual liberty, public safety, and the efficient administration of justice.
Last month, President Donald Trump signed an executive order to eliminate no-cash bail systems like Illinois', but a Peoria attorney told 25 News he believes the Safety Act will stay.